Right, welcome back to Shed Tune, and I'm in Motorway Services and I've been to pick up the LML. Do you want to see it?
So what are we supposed to be doing? What are we supposed to be doing?
Well, as you can see, I've got the special needs bus and we're going to go and get the LML.
Right, I'm getting out now.
Don't blame you.
I don't trust it. Hiya. Someone wants to speak to you.
That's it. Anyway, for those of you that remember the LML, I'll put some clips in now.
What's up, dude?
When I'm buggered.
How long does it take you to bleep out the swear words?
Too long, so don't start.
I'm getting pissed off with this stupid
Vespa.
machine.
Actually, Fitch is still done. I'm quite surprised.
Look at that.
I bought it yesterday.
Okay.
Ta-da! Bastard. Design number 4 should be on the screen right now. And we're going to go to Slackers, that's where we're on our way now, and have a look at the plan, and when we get there we'll show you the scooter and then probably take the piss out of each other. Shall we see you in a bit?
General day to day.
Yeah, general day-to-day stuff.
Cool. Say it?
Yeah,
Right.
good.
Say bye.
Say bye.
Bye for now.
Bye for now.
See you later.
See you later.
Arrivederci.
Arrivederci.
Ciao Bella.
Ciao Bella. Right, so we've arrived at Slackers. We're going to go and have a look to see what the LML looks like. Exciting or nervous? I'm not really sure now. We'll find out in a minute. Right, back in the workshop.
I'm going to move about 10 miles an hour.
Milk, 2 sugars, please.
Well, the moment of truth has arisen. Look how happy everyone is and excited about the reveal of the LML.
Is that what we came up here for?
That's what we've come up here for.
Drag me out of bed for this.
I did.
See Slaker.
It was that as well.
Okay.
If you have a drum roll, please. Right, now you've seen that and you know what the paintwork was going to be.
Hey?
Hey, what?
What?
Missed a bit.
You have.
He's doing his little.
Here we go.
Sometimes he does
Ready? Drum roll, please.
Oh.
That actually looks all right. Hey.
Have you left your fucking chastity belt here or something, Slacker?
The thing is, that seat doesn't sit fucking properly, so it's a last minute dodge.
What do you think? I think that's the bollocks.
Yeah.
No, it's a petrol can.
That's really good. I'm really impressed with that.
I like it. Oh, shit, you didn't get that on camera.
Did you? Dom likes a Vespa. That's really good. Shed Tune 07.
01.
01.
Do not bed.
Look. I'm dyslexic. That.
No. Well done, mate.
Yeah, well done. That's really good. I'm pleased with that. number 1. Well, I think that's come out really, really well. Much better than the other designs. What do you lot think? Drop some comments below. Let us know what you think. Okay, so we picked the LML up. Hope you liked it. Hope you liked all the clips and bits and pieces. It's a goodbye from me, and it's a goodbye from
Me.
And them.
and them. So like, subscribe. If you want to see more Vespa LML stuff on the channel, speak to Phil, and then we'll just laugh at him.
And we'll ignore him.
Exactly. Right. See ya.
Hold
Bye.
up a second.